Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining us today. I'm fixing to do a dish that y'all will see next week, okay? But it's got candied nuts in it. I thought I would show you how to make some candied nuts homemade. It's gonna be quick and simple. Y'all stick around. All right, folks, you can use any nut that you want to do this. I'm using cashews. My dish that I'm working on calls for cashews, so that's what I got. You can do walnuts, pecans, doesn't matter. They're all gonna work the same. These are roasted and unsalted. If you get some natural nuts, peanuts or whatever, that are not roasted yet, just go ahead and roast them in your pan or in your oven before you do this. I guess you don't really have to roast them, but I like them roasted. So I'm going in. I've got a half cup here, and my pan is my iron skillet here is already heated up pretty good. It's on like a medium-high heat. That's good stuff right there. Okay, quarter cup sugar going in. That's about 3 or 4 tablespoons. You just want to slowly dissolve this in. And this sugar is going to melt, of course. And as it's coming up to temp, it starts to melt. I'm throwing just a touch of vanilla extract. See this? Madagascar bourbon pure vanilla extract. That's good stuff right there, folks. Little dab will do you. Here we go. Oh, I love that smell too. Again, we're almost there. It's just been a couple of minutes. Again, how long it takes depends on how high your heat is. I wouldn't recommend going on a high heat because you can go quickly from having the basically a caramel to burning this up real fast. So like I said, I'm going like a medium high most, but more like a medium. And you can see down in here we got some of that golden color that I'm looking for. It's basically a caramel, like I said. Now if you want, you can also add some spices, man. Put some cinnamon in here, or add some butter to it if you want. Just make it your own. But that is very simple, very easy. Now I'm gonna bring you over here. I'm gonna take it off the heat. We'll dump it out on the tray. All right, and this part you have to do pretty quickly before it starts hardening up again on you. There you go. And just stick your pan under, soak it in some hot water, and that will make it, make that sugar get out of there. And same thing with your spoon. Good stuff. It's been about 10 minutes. Now, as you can tell, this is cooled off. You can touch it now. I wouldn't touch it when it was hot, but that'll scald you. Anyway, just bust this all up, just like so. Very easy to do. See, really, really easy. Good stuff, man, good stuff. All right, see if we can get some of these a taste. Let's try this one right here. All right, guys, candied nuts. It doesn't get much better than this. If you got a sweet tooth, put this on some salads, on ice cream. You can spruce these up any way you want with some barbecue rub or some cayenne pepper, some Cajun rub. Just fix it the way you want. Season it up the way you want, but I like vanilla, so that's how I did it mine. Oh my gosh. I'm getting that hint of vanilla. It's not overpowering, but you can tell it's there. Folks, this is delicious. And again, stay tuned next Tuesday. I'll show you what we're gonna put these candied nuts on. It's gonna be great too. If you're not subbed yet, hope you go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I got new videos coming out. And click the little bell down there too. That'll send you an email letting you know I got a new video up. Hope y'all give me some thumbs up. Hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody. See y'all next Tuesday.